Hello guys, and welcome to the video of Peugeot 308 bulbs replacement. We're gonna replace the rear indicators and the rear reversing lights. So to get the access, you open the boot, you get the carpet 10 key number 10, pull out the headlight, and then you unplug the plug. Then you've got access to the lamp. You've got two bulbs there, W16W for reverse and PY21W for indicators. The link will be in the description. So as you can see, both of them just screw in, screw out, and replace. That's it. Very simple, straightforward. So as you can see, the pure white LED reversing look amazing compared to the stock halogen ones. Looks completely different and changes the car. For indicators, as you can see on the left, the old one, on the right, ours, much brighter, much sharper and instant on and off LED look, and looks simply amazing. As you can see in the close-up, it's super bright, it lights up, you know, very nice view, very visible, and much safer than with the stock bulbs. So the bulbs don't throw up any error, there's no fast flashing for the indicators, everything works fine, perfectly fine with this car, as you can see there. So thank you guys for watching quick video. Subscribe for more if you like it, and stay tuned for other videos. Thanks.